Hey guys, today I got a few more Legos. We have three Ha minifig packs. Here's the final one. We have not one, but two 501st Battle Packs. And we have three Snow Stormtrooper Battle Packs. Not bad.